All right, let's see if you understand how to actually do this in practice. So I've got 5 to the negative 3. Don't want any negative exponents, so I need to make it a fraction. I'm going to push it down to the denominator. There's nothing else left, so it's just 1 over 5 to the third power. I think IXL wants you to just write the number, so this would be 1 over 125. The next one, all right, so I'm just going to take each one individually. This becomes 1 over 3 squared. This is just a 1, so I'm just going to make this long. So times 1 times, I'm going to push this to the denominator, 5 cubed, and there'll stay a 1 up here. So I have 1 in the numerator. I have 3 squared, which is 9, times 5 cubed, which is 125. I'm not going to try to do that. I'm just going to use my calculator. This is not a computation test, so use a calculator. It's 1 over 1,125. Final answer. That's practice problems 1 and 2. Practice problems 3 and 4. I couldn't change this to a 3 for some reason. All right. What do we have here? Well, 5 to the 0 is just 1. 10 to the 1, to the negative 1, I want to be positive, so it's going to move up here to the numerator. And now I've just got a 1 down there, or nothing, right? So this is just 10. 10 to the first power is 10. For this one, 10 cubed is going to stay where it is because it's positive, times, I'm going to push this up, 5 to the first, leaves me just with a 1 in my denominator. I don't have to write that. 10 cubed is 1,000. 1,000 times 5 is 5,000. Final answer. That's it. You're just pushing things to the numerator or the denominator, depending on where they are, to make them positive, and then you just simplify. Yeah, do your IXL. If you have questions, send me a message, and I will do my best to help you.